Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make an already made elastic casing. It is very useful for beginners because it is very easy to attach to your clothing. The first thing you need is the circumference of the fabric you're working with. So I'm going to attach it to this skirt and I've already measured out the fabric that I need. So to get the width of the fabric, you need to measure your elastic, the one you'll be working with, and multiply it by 4. So that'll give you the width of the elastic. Now that we have the length of the fabric and the width, you have to fold the fabric into 2 right side facing and then fold it over this way and give the mid part a notch. Put your elastic on the notch that you have just made. Note that we are working on the wrong side of the fabric now and that the fabric itself is folded into 2, right? Now, fold it on top of each other after placing the elastic. Ensure that your elastic is flat. Then put it just right on top at the midsection of the fabric. Now, take it to the sewing machine and sew with a 0.5 inch seam allowance. Here we have it. Now, to reduce the bulk, you can trim the elastic. After trimming, unfold your fabric this way such that you are now on the right side of the fabric. The next thing to do is to take it to the machine. Ensure that the edge of the folded fabric are right on top of each other and then you sew. While sewing, you can use a zipper foot so that you can sew very close to the elastic. Otherwise, just use the foot that you have. So I'll ensure that the edge of the fabric meets and then I'll sew from one end to the other. When you're close to the beginning, you'll see that you have more fabric than the elastic. What you do there is to put your needle in the fabric and then you pull out the elastic. Ensure the needle is in the fabric and pull out the elastic. Then take your fabric and fold it on top of each other again, just like you have been doing, and you sew. If you see you have more fabric again, just pull the elastic and continue to sew. Backstage when you get to the starting point, and there you have it. This is a ready-made elastic casing that is ready to be attached to the clothing of your choice. This is very easy for beginners. The next thing to do is just to attach it to the waistband of the skirt. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it. Bye.